Have you ever wanted to build something cool and share it with the world? Creating an Android app is an awesome way to do just that. But before you dive into coding, you need a killer app idea. Think about problems you face or things you wish were easier. Maybe you want to make it simpler to order food online or create a fun game to play with friends. Once you have an idea, ask yourself, would people actually use this? Is there a real need for it? Validating your idea early on can save you time and effort. Talk to potential users, get feedback, and refine your concept to create something truly special. Now that you've got your app idea locked in, it's time to gather the tools you'll need to bring it to life. Think of these tools as your trusty sidekicks on this exciting app development journey. First up, you'll need Android Studio. It's like the command center for building Android apps. It helps you write code, design the look of your app, and test it out. You'll also need the Java Development Kit, which is like the language your app will be written in. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. There are tons of resources online to help you learn the basics. Once you have Android Studio and JDK installed, you're ready to start building. This is where the real magic happens, writing the code that brings your app to life. You'll use a programming language like Java or Kotlin to tell your app what to do. It's like writing a set of instructions for your app to follow. Remember to keep your code clean and organized. Think of it like building a house. If the foundation is messy, the whole thing will fall apart. While coding is essential, don't forget about the user experience. UX is all about making your app easy and enjoyable to use. Think about the layout of your app, the colors you use, and how easy it is for people to navigate. You've poured your heart and soul into building an amazing app, and now it's time to share it with the world. The Google Play Store is like a giant app store where people can download your creation. Before you hit that publish button, make sure to test your app thoroughly. Try it out on different devices, ask friends to use it, and look for any bugs or glitches. Once you're confident in your app's quality, it's time to create a developer account on Google Play Console. Prepare your app's listing, including screenshots, a description, and an icon. And finally, submit your app for review. Congratulations, you're now an official Android app publisher.